What's up, everybody? Here's a new video. Check it out. My 2022 TRD Sport Tundra. So do you guys see anything different on this bad boy? Do you guys see anything new? Well, yeah, it's the grill. Check out this new grill that I swapped out. So I had the older grill with the emblem, the Toyota emblem right in the center. I wasn't liking it. So what did I do? I went and got a TRD Pro grill and went to the dealership. They swapped it out for me. Charged me like 90 bucks, which was pretty cool. But yeah, looks pretty nice. It doesn't have the light bar. I don't have the camera. And I don't have the LED bulbs up top, but I don't think you would really notice it if you were in person. But yeah, check it out. Looks really nice. You have to take out this paneling. You got to pull the bumper all the way out. You gotta take out the old grill and the latch for the hood. Put back the sensor. So yeah, check it out. All right, guys, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. Thank you.